Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was talking to Randy Allen and Roy Brewer this weekend, and I believe they both said they never had seen this before, and I thought it was only in 2019 Corel, but I've actually found it in 2018 and in 2000 or in X7. I had no clue. It's kind of like hidden. When you're drawing in 3D, and some of you don't, and it's difficult, and we're not there yet in Corel to draw in 3D. But the people who do draw in 3D draw with 256 shades of gray. Well, it's in your Corel right there, and there's your color palette. They look all black until you go way down, and we're talking 256 different shades of gray. You can see it just lightly changing there. And you can click on it, and that's gray 255, gray 254, 53. I mean, we can go all the way to white. There's white, gray 255. There's just gray 254. So to find it, go to Windows. Let me just X these out. Close. So that's your normal color palette, and you go to Windows, Color Palettes, and go to Palette Manager, and just kind of look down, and there it is right there, 256, and basically you're going to make it visible, and there's 256 shades of gray. Now also I've got my document palette turned off. If you do that, any color you've used today or yesterday before you restart Corel is going to be right there. A lot of people don't like that, so you can always turn that off. So 256 shades of gray. I expect some more people start playing around with drawing 3D. I know I'm going to start playing around with it and just see if I can make it 3D more possible inside of Corel Draw. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.